Today we're going to be making this delicious pineapple pecan cheesecake parfait. It's diabetic friendly, low carb friendly, and sugar free. For the cheesecake filling, you're going to need heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and Some Sweet Plus. Some Sweet Plus is a functional sweetener that eliminates sugar cravings, curbs appetite, burns fat, and lowers blood sugar levels. Now let's get started. Next, you're going to need pineapple chunks and chopped pecans. Grab a glass or a jar and put your parfait together, starting with the pecans, then the filling, and lastly the pineapples. Repeat until your glass is full. And that's it, a super easy and yummy sugar-free parfait.